Today, OpenAI released the next step in their journey, the new flagship model, GPT5. It's their smartest, fastest, and most useful model yet. It's designed to think deeply when you need it to, tackle complex, multi-step problems, like modeling the financial impact of business decisions and visualizing the outcomes over time. And answer quickly when you want it to. It can instantly understand and summarize dense documents, like your annual health report, breaking down complex information into clear, actionable insights. GPT-5 is great at coding. It's a powerful tool for developers and creators, helping build everything from sophisticated web apps and interactive experiences to entire games. It can even take on the monumental task of rewriting and refactoring your entire codebase, streamlining your architecture for the future. You can even ask it to take on massive projects, like rewriting and refactoring your entire codebase into a new language. It's an expressive writing partner, helping you find the right words, refine the flow of a story, and explore the motivations of your characters to make your work resonate. And it's designed to feel like your own. It adapts to you, making every interaction feel personal, creative, and collaborative. GPT-5 is powerful, accessible, and ready to build with you. Try it now in ChatGPT.